Here's how to create your own AI twin in less than 3 minutes. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go on the App Store on your iPhone or Android and look up Captions app. So this is going to be the Captions app. So you're going to download the Captions app. Then once you've downloaded the app, inside of the app, you'll see here at the bottom, it'll say Create. So you're going to click on Create. Once you click on Create, it's going to take you to this window, and you see here where it says AI Creators. You're going to click on AI Creators, and then from AI Creators, you're going to click on AI Twin, as you can see right here. So you're going to click on AI Twin, and then you're going to click on Create AI Twin. So once you click on Create AI Twin, it's going to take you to this page where you can record a video or upload a video. You can upload a video if, what I would do is make sure you have like proper lighting. For me, I just, wherever I have my content placed at, I uploaded a video of me speaking, and then you're going to import whatever clip you have of you speaking, and then click on the bottom right. You see here where it says Create AI Twin. You're going to grab a clip of you speaking, and then it's going to start to upload the file, and then you have your AI twin and you'll be able to watch the video. So let me show you guys now what the AI twin of myself actually looks like. This is an AI version of myself.
Would you be surprised to know I'm not real? I'm actually an AI twin, created to look and sound just like the real deal. Mind-blowing, right? But here's the cool part. AI twins like me are changing the content creation game. Imagine being able to produce videos, podcasts, or social media posts 24/7 in multiple languages without burning out. That's the power of AI twins. We can help creators scale their content. The future of digital content is here, and it's twinning. So next time you're watching your favorite influencer, ask yourself, are they real or am I seeing double?
So that video that you guys just watched is an AI version of myself that I made, and I think it's like $20, but it's honestly the cheapest thing that you can do, and you can literally create nonstop content for your social media with an exact replica of yourself, and it only costs about $20. So that's how you create AI twin inside of the Captions app.